Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is basically on burping a baby. So first I'm going to define the rules to burp the baby. Second thing, how to burp the baby. And third thing, what to do if the baby doesn't burp. So first thing, what are the rules to burp a baby? So most of the people prefer to burp a baby when they complete the feed. But what I say, if the baby is uncomfortable during the feed, then first burp a baby and then proceed to the feed. Second thing, after the feed, obviously. So these are the basically rules to burp a baby. Second thing is, what are the ways to burp a baby? First way is over the shoulder. Here I'm using a teddy instead of a baby. So over the shoulder you can easily burp a baby. Since the baby is very small, so baby is not able to hold his head and his neck. So what you have to do, you have to rest baby's mouth on your chin, and then you can burp a baby very easily. You have to pat on his back, and just below from the neck you need to start, like from here you need to start, and then you need to pat on the back of the baby. Do this about 10 minutes, around 20 minutes, I mean, and you have to do this until your baby burps. And the second way is, you can like follow this position, this kind of position, and you are resting the baby here as well, kind this of this thing, and then you're again patting on the baby's back to burp a baby. Now we come to the second position. Second position is, if the baby is weak and the parents are afraid of getting the babies on their shoulder, then you can follow like this. You can take the baby in your lap, and then you can hold the babies like this, and you can pat on their back. So this is really very easy. So this is on your lap. Third position is across your lap. I mean, you can hold the baby like this, and then not put the pressure on their tummy. So you have to hold the baby like this and then do like this. I prefer is over the shoulder. Think it's really difficult, then you can prefer the second position as this. So these are the positions to burp a baby. Now the very third thing is what to do in case your baby doesn't burp. You can take a spoon and then put some milk into the spoon. You can take crushed hing, means crushed asafoetida. It's called asafoetida in English. So you can take crushed asafoetida and just take it very little in the quantity. Mix it well with the milk and then give it to the baby, and then try again burping a baby. The baby will burp in 5 to 10 minutes, and do this practice for at most 2 days. Your baby will start burping. Second thing, you can also have some cycling to the babies like this way. So it's also good for their tummy. So need to do some cycling. After this also babies start burping. But the first hang technique and asafoetida technique, that's very good, and babies really start burping. And the third thing is, you can do babies tummies massage. It's really good for babies, for their tummy. Very important 2 points here I would like to tell you. Like, if your baby is already vomiting, then do never do back massage. If your baby, second point is, if your baby is doing loose motions, if your baby is having loose motions, then never do tummy massage. So these are the two important points. So this is my video, friends. If you like the video, please like that and subscribe my channel, and you can share it with the friends who actually need it. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.